This is code.org. Let's see what we're doing. Help the painter navigate through the neighborhood to reach the traffic cones. Okay, so first off, guys, I know we need to instantiate or create a copy of the painter object, of the painter class, a painter object. What's the painter class? Under documentation, we can go look at it. Boom, right? So this is the class of code that allows us to use the move command or the turn left method. All of those are methods. So first I need to instantiate. How do I instantiate a class? I write the name of the class, which is painter. Now, what do I want to call my painter? I'm going to just say my and then a capital P painter. You could say Paul, Sally, whatever you need. It doesn't matter. Just make sure you stick with that name throughout. And I'm going to say equals and then new painter parentheses, boom. Now, you might be wondering, Mr. Kaiser, why equals new painter? This is just how you're always going to do it when you instantiate a class. If our class's name was computer, it would be new computer with parentheses behind it because there's no values in the constructor. So for now, just know this is how you do it. Now, that's only going to create my painter. I'm going to start now issuing commands or asking literally my painter, to move. Maybe I should mix this up. Maybe right now I will do Fred the painter. Okay, so Fred dot move. Cool. All right, Fred will take one step forward. Boom. And now what do I want to do? I want to Fred dot turn left. Right? So this is the next command. How do I know this command exists? Well, you could head over here again, find in the documentation, if you're unsure, what type of commands we can use. Dot move works. Dot turn left works. Dot paint would work. We haven't gone into those, but they will. So now I know one left turn won't be enough. I'm going to actually have to do this 3 times because really I've got to want to turn right. And I'm going to put a comment here to note what I did so my teacher can easily grade this. So turn right, comma, 3 lefts. Cool. Now what? 2 steps. Okay. And then what? It looks like a left turn. Yep. And now what? It looks like 3 steps. And make sure to run your program early and often. It's easier to catch errors that way. Okay, and now I need to turn left. Make sure you're also doing dot notation. You have to get these parentheses and the semicolon. Code's really mean, and if you don't get it exact, the computer won't know what you're trying to do. Now I need to do this 3 times again because I have to actually turn around. And then it looks like 3 more steps. Whoops. Steps. And then 1 left turn, and 1 step. And that should do it. Now, a few things, guys. Make sure whatever you instantiate your object to be, that's what you use throughout, because that's the name of your object, and that's when you're going to start issuing commands. 3, turning right, right? And I might make that note again here. Just going to copy and paste. You want to have some comments maybe where your code's a bit odd just to be clear on what's going on. Cool. Awesome. Onward.